Hey guys, it's me, Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So I don't have any makeup on because it's been a lazy day. Haven't been feeling good, but I'm like not okay, just a little queasy in my, I'm okay, I'm just a little queasy in my stomach. Anyway, I just got my Boxyluxe in the mail. Literally, it just came. It's not even open. I'm going to try to shimmy it open with this, so let's see if that works out. Okay, so before I do this, I'm going to go on with my Boxycharm spiel, which I do in every video, every Boxycharm video. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service that is $25 a month for the base box. With the base box, you get 4 to 5 full-size items. And you get over $125 value with that. Then you can upgrade to Boxycharm Premium for $35 a month. Now, the prices are a little bit higher in Canada. I'll go over them in a minute. For $35 a month, you get, I think it's 6 full-size items. And they're valued at $175 and over. And then Boxyluxe is a quarterly subscription. So you can only upgrade to that if you have a base box subscription. And then instead of getting your base box every third month, you get your Boxyluxe. And that is $49.99. And you get 8 full-size samples, 7 to 8 full-size samples a month. And the value, I think, is over $200. Correct me if I'm wrong. There's usually a link down in the down bar. If you're interested in Boxycharm, you can sign up with that link. All I get is charm points for that. I'm not affiliated with Boxycharm in any way. I pay for my own box. In Canada, the boxes are a little more expensive because you do pay a flat rate shipping fee of, this isn't going to open it. You pay a flat rate shipping fee of $5, and then for base box, I pay about $40. I think the premium is about $50, and I know the Luxe box is about $80, and yeah. This isn't going to open it. I'm having issues. I'm going to get... Oh, wait a minute. This probably wasn't the best choice for... Like, I picked something that doesn't have a sharp edge on it. And I'm going to sit here and try to, like, open it. Mike, in the top drawer of my dresser over there, there's a sewing kit that has scissors in it. Can you pass them to me?
No, you leave them scissors alone. They're mine.
He's going to get that for me so I can open this box. Because I haven't even peeked inside. It literally just came in the mail. I know there's a bunch of different variations. There's 2 choice items that I got to choose. I'll probably go over them first. I hope I got a card in here so I can give prices. Thank you.
I want them right back.
Yeah, yeah, because I'll lose them. He knows me too well. Okay, just bear with me because they're only little scissors for cutting thread. So, alright, there you go. So let's get into Boxyluxe. I'll give you guys the first peek inside of it. Oh, okay, oh, I got a card, yay! And they only put paper in it this month instead of like that foamy stuff. Alright, so it's Boxy Edgy is the theme. I've watched some spoiler videos, so I know what I could possibly get in the box, but I don't know what all my variations are. I'm variation 13. Alright. See, they put this in there this month instead of foamy stuff. Alright, I'm going to talk about my variations first. So the first variation I was able to pick was a Murad eye cream, this Tartist palette, and a QMS lip line corrector, and there was one other item. Oh, a curling wand. And I was like, I don't need a mini curling wand because I have 2 full-size ones and I barely ever curl my hair. I don't need any more eye cream because I have one over there that I'm using and one on backup, and the QMS lip line corrector I already got. And I'm trying to stay away from getting a bunch of palettes. Like, the choice for April was a palette and something else too, but I'm trying to stay away from them, but I don't know, I just picked this one. And I'm not going to touch it yet because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to put it in a giveaway or sell it on my Poshmark. I actually have a Poshmark, guys. So if you guys are interested, I've been selling some of my lightly used makeup on there, and I'm going to add some, when I go through my closet, I'll add some clothes and stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll leave the link down below. Oh, let's do the little test on where this was made. Oh God, look at the ingredients. That doesn't even look like words. Does it say where it was made? It probably does, and I can't see it. I'm wasting time here. New York. Anyway, I'll look it up later. Okay. Look at this packaging. It reminds me of like the 80s or something when I was a kid, or the 90s, because it has that like paint splatter look to it, and it like changes when you go back and forth. That might go through people. What's that called? ASMR? Oh, I'm in a mood today, guys. Okay, I think this is authentic Tarte. One product that I got from Boxycharm from Tarte, that it was supposed to smell like vanilla, but it didn't. This has that smell. Oh my god, I might actually keep this. I ordered it because I was going to do a giveaway or something, but you know what? Now that I'm seeing it in person, I'm sorry, guys, but some of these colors are so pretty. If you guys want to see me do like a look, there's only 3 matte colors in here. This bone color, this brown color, and this black color, but they're the essential mattes that you would need. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm still not going to touch it because I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with it yet, but I do like it. It does scream spring to me. So that was my first variation. My second variation, or my choice, was these straws. Now, depending on what you picked for your first variation, there was some of them had limited options available for the second choice. I'm gonna keep saying variation. But I had straws, and what was the other one? Oh, my brain's frazzled. It's been so long since I picked the choice for this. I can't remember. Mike, do you have any idea what it was? Probably not. I know the full 4 choices, if you had, say if you picked like the eye cream, there was 4 choices. One was earrings, one was metal straws, one was Moroccan oil spray stuff for your hair, and the other one was the one that I can't think of. So I had a choice between 2 items. I don't remember I can remember the 3 for the other ones, but I can't remember my other choice. It might come through for me. I told you I'm having a day today. I don't know what's wrong with me. I seem like I'm all frazzled today, and I'm never usually like this. But anyway, as soon as I seen that there was, it was a lip liner from Appeal Cosmetics. That's what it was, and I didn't want that. I seen these were available. I didn't even tell you prices. The Tarte palette is $48 US, and these straws are $21 US. So they're gold stainless steel straws, and they have the little brush cleaner. And my plans for these are to keep them in the truck, I think, because when Mike and I, the odd time if we do go, like we don't go out to eat that often, but if we do go to like KFC or Wendy's or something like that, and they have like paper straws, I don't like the paper straws. I find it changes the taste of the beverage. Cute packaging in these. So I want to keep them in there, and then what I'll do is I'll take them in the house every now and then and clean them, but I do have the little cleaner here in here, so I think these will just come in more handy inside the truck. And then also I don't have to get plastic straws in other restaurants. Save the turtles. So that was that. Alright, so I kind of, when I was looking through that, I kind of glanced over this. I'm just going to reach into the box for the next few products. Okay, so I have another eyeshadow palette in here, and I want to see this in person. I've seen this in all the spoilers in videos. I've been watching Boxycharm videos since like the beginning of March, since they first started posting, because everybody wants to be first to post their video. This is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette, and it retails for $39, $38, $39. So, hello Charmers. I'm kind of iffy about this one, just from the pictures that I've seen online, but these duochrome shades, like, I'm really drawn to that purpley blue color up there. But I don't know. I don't know if I like the matte choices in here. I mean, it might be fun, and I know that this is really pigmented, and I want to swatch it for you guys so bad. If you guys want to see swatches, you can look up Boxyluxe videos. But yeah, interesting names on some of them too. They're all Boxy related names, like Boxy, Charmer, Full Size, Exclusive, Spoiler, Luxe, Unboxing, Sneak Peek, Premium, Swipe Up, pop up, and Cup of Joe, because Joe is the CEO of Boxycharm, so of course they had to put that in there. So I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with this palette. Yes. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. Every color of the rainbow. But I'll just leave it aside for now. Oh, they do have foamy stuff in here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this because I know I wish I had got a better color, but whatever, it's okay. Beggars can't be choosy. But this is the big ticket item in the box. This is from PMD. Did I say? Yeah, I said how much the other palette was. Oh my god, I'm all over the place. I'm scatterbrained. PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I got the navy blue one. I guess it'll show less dirt on it. This is $99, guys. I want to save the packaging for this for right now because there might be, yeah, there's instructions and stuff all over the packaging, but I mean, how hard can it be how to figure out how to use a facial cleansing device? It comes with a little cradle that you can put on your counter, that you can put your device in for washing it. And on this side, you never have to replace the bristles like you do with the Clarisonic, right? So it's just silicone. Oh, it is pretty soft. I have no makeup on, so I can touch it to my face. And on this side is like, you can use it to massage in moisturizer and stuff. And they did give us a battery that has like plastic stuff on it. Anyway, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to move on because I don't want this video to be overly long. If you guys want to see me use this in like a nighttime skincare routine or a morning skincare routine, let me know down below and I'd be happy to do that for you guys. And I'm just going to lay it aside for now. Alright. I did get some foamy stuff. Oh, I'll throw it right in Cassie's water. More of this stuff. Alright. We have 3 items left. This I'm not that fussy for. I was hoping to get like one of the blush things or something, but I ended up with this. Deborah Lippmann Nail Polish Duo. And it's in the colors Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop Feeling. I guess these are pretty for spring and summer. It's like a pink and a red. Deborah Lippmann has a pretty good formula too, so. And I really do need to do my nails. I might do this pink. That's pretty. This retails for, where are you at? $19? Yeah. So they're only little minis, but her nail polish is expensive. I know that, so. And then the next product that I got is from Becca. And this is the Becca Skin Love. I know this is selling at like TJ Maxx and stuff in the States at a discounted price. It's probably at Winners here too. This retails for $28. Sometimes those numbers are hard to read. Does this have a color? It's a Glow Glaze Stick. Infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. Interesting. So it's like a cream highlight, I guess. Which, meh, I don't know, because I'm not really into cream highlights. But I don't know. I started using cream blush from CoverGirl, so maybe. Does this have a color name on it? I think it's the same shade. Let's see. It's probably not going to show up on camera. There it is, but I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera. It's kind of a subtle glow. I don't know. I'm going to have to test it out with makeup and see. I do like Becca products, but it feels kind of, I don't know, tacky or something. I'm wiping it off of paper because I can't be bothered to reach up there and get a makeup wipe. And then last but not least, we have the Duo from Sol de Janeiro. Everybody got this, I believe. And this retails for $15. So you got the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I know everybody wants to say Bum Bum because it looks like Bum Bum, but it's supposed to be Boom Boom. I have one of these minis still up there, and I have a bigger size one. I love this stuff. I hoard it. But this stuff smells amazing. Oh, Jip! This is the free birthday gift at Sephora, one of them this year. But look at that. It's like not even all the way full. Oh, this is like my favorite smell in the whole world. It's like vanilla and pistachios and oh. It's amazing. Let's just say that. This is going to be a first impression because I've never smelled the Cocoa Cabana cream. And I know a lot of people say that it smells like butter popcorn. And it will probably react to everybody's skin chemistry different. So I don't know what it's going to be like. I know this is a thinner cream though. I can see how they can kind of get a buttery popcorn smell out of this. But I can get coconut from it too. And again, there's like a big divot in it. Ooh, that smells nice. I don't know how it's going to react with my skin chemistry though. We'll see. It might smell more like butter popcorn on me. Yeah, I can definitely get that little... They were supposedly reformulated this though, but I don't know if these are the older ones or the newer ones. You know what it smells like? Coconut cream pie. Smell that, Mike. That's what I think it smells like. Coconut cream pie.
That's what it is.
See? He says... See, I think everybody gets a different scent from it. But it smells like coconut cream pie to me. But anyway... I know I was a little scatterbrained in this video. I apologize. I'm not looking the best right now. I'm looking pretty rough. My hair is like a mess. But that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm for this month. My Boxyluxe. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not sure what I'm doing with my palettes yet. If I'm going to keep both of them or pass on one or whatever. But we shall play with some stuff and see what I'm going to do. But I'm pretty happy. I'm really excited to have another one of these. Like, really excited. You don't even understand because I love this stuff. This Becca thing I'll play with and see how I like it. I want to try out this cream and see how it smells on my skin. I'm really excited about this thing. This facial cleanser. Not the cleanser, the machine itself. I'm really excited about the straws. I know that's probably something stupid to say. And a lot of people are pissed off about getting straws and earrings because they want makeup in their box and skincare and hair care. But I chose these, so I'm pretty happy about them. I don't know if I said it, but these are from Bombshell Baker. But I'm pretty happy about those. I'm kind of about the nail polish. And then, like I said, the two palettes. I think I'm going to keep this tart one for sure, though, because I like it. But I'm not really sure about the Boxycharm one. But anyway, that is everything that I got in my box. Let me know if you guys got the same thing in your box or if you got different variations. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, when I was putting stuff back in the box, I totally realized that I forgot a product. We got a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. I don't know what this retails for. Let me see. I think it's like $25 or something like that. I can't believe I forgot this. Yeah, $25. Let's see what my what the color is, because oh, Wild Night. I'm not keeping this. I know that right now. I'm not even going to swatch it. I will show it to you guys, but I'm not keeping it because I watch videos and I know what color this is. I don't want to ruin the packaging because it's actual real. Look at, like, look. Can you even see the color in that? I'm going to open it up. I'm not going to swatch it. Look, it's like dark, 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 dark purple. Smells kind of vanilla-y. Yeah, I'm not keeping this because I know for a fact I won't wear it. So, I might put this on my Poshmark, or I might give it to my friend Krista because she wears vampy colors like this. Yeah, but I know I'm not going to touch that because I was hoping to get... Plus, NARS isn't cruelty-free. I forgot about that as well. It's not cruelty-free. So, yeah, I got that in my box, too. I forgot to show you guys. Sorry, I missed the product.